Good morning, students. Today we will see what are the factors which influence the rate of a chemical reaction. There are some important points. First, concentration of the reacting species. Second, temperature of the system. Third, presence of a catalyst. Fourth, surface area. Fifth, exposure to radiation. Okay, now we will discuss every points one by one. First we see concentration of the reacting species. Okay, concentration of the reacting species. Concentration of the reacting species. You know, the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant. If the concentration of the reactant is large, okay, if the concentration of the reactant, let us suppose it is reactant, and in this way we express, okay, because concentration term is expressed in the square bracket. If the concentration of the reactant is large, then the rate of reaction is very large. For example, rate of the burning of wood depends upon the concentration of the oxygen. Okay, a piece of wood burns slowly in air, okay, containing about 20% oxygen. But if you burn rapidly in pure oxygen, nearly about 100%, you will see the reaction will do very faster rate. Okay. Second point, temperature of the system. Temperature of the system. System means we are talking about the chemical reaction. Okay. We will find that if you increase the temperature, then the rate of chemical reaction will also increase. The reaction rate becomes double for every 10 degree C rise in temperature. हर एक 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर को राइज करने के बाद आपका रिएक्शन का रेट जो होता है वो डबल हो जाता है. ठीक है. थर्ड हम लोग बात करेंगे नेचर ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट. Nature of the reactant and product. Okay, there are so many reaction. We will see it will in faster and slowest rate. Okay, for example, when you react nitric oxide with oxygen, then 2NO2 will form, and again CO, here 2 is 2CO plus O2, then 2CO2 will form. In first case it will be fast, and second case it will be slow. We will find that NO plus O2, NO means nitric oxide, this is non-metallic oxide. CO, this is also non-metallic oxide. You supply same amount of oxygen. In this case also you will see this reaction will in faster rate, but in case of this it will in slower in comparison to first. Okay. Next point, fourth, presence of catalyst. Presence of catalyst means, first of all we know about the catalyst. Catalyst is the chemical substance which influence the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing any chemical change. For example, a mixture of H2 and O2 does not react at room temperature, but in presence of a catalyst such as finely divided platinum, the reaction becomes quite vigorous. हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन आपस में नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर पे कोई रिएक्शन नहीं करता है, लेकिन जब हम लोग प्लैटिनम कैटलिस्ट को यूज करते हैं और दिस रिएक्शन इज वेरी मच विगरस. ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट्स, एक्सपोजर टू रेडिएशन. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल टॉक अबाउट दीज पॉइंट्स. ओके, थैंक यू.